Hi readers, Miss Z here with another story in our Read 100 challenge. Today's story is An Elephant and Piggy Book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And this is by Mo Willems. Alright, let's get started. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, uh, uh, uh. Yes? Uh, uh, uh. A what? Uh, a ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Sniff, are you okay? I don't, I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if, what if, what if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Uh, uh, uh. Uh, 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 uh. Ah! Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor! Piggy, Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. And that is the end of our story today. Pigs make me sneeze. Hope you enjoyed this funny story. I'll see you next time, readers. Bye!